This is 2007, and they can make that. The horn, that's all the things you can reach from not picking it up. That's the lights. That's the backup sound. The horn. That's what makes up truck. And that can also tip. This is a race car, 2009. That flashes off and down. That's the horn. Here's all the race sounds. And it starts. I need to go check it out. Okay, so that lights up on and off, and it even goes up. And so, here's a motorcycle that goes on. That goes on. Here's the front loader, which is that on the bed. That goes on. That can even ring. And that's actually all the controls on this. Here's a race car. I can explain to you what it does. There. And that one's on. There's the rest of the stuff. Okay. Here's a plane. 2010. See it? That goes on. This goes in when it takes off. Lights. Sound when it flies. And it was like that's when it waits. And that's when his truck collects.